I'm nervous on the surface and I'm fine. My brain feels heavy, my trauma. The truth will change and not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers. They say the play said it. I think I'll find them one day, but with a happy hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. Yeah, I feel that it's my time. So I'm giving everything. I'm giving everything.
ये लैपटॉप ले लो क्या?
Remember college debating champion फलक?
जिसने फ्लैट में से तेरे साथ डिबेट, जस्ट ने इतनी अच्छी थी वो कि